on, little genie. Open up. Open up for Uncle Olaf. I know you're in there. I can see you a little bit. Open up. Come on, we'll just rub you a little bit. Come on. I know you want to come out. What is going on with this thing? I know. Maybe I need to warm it up. Or no, maybe. I don't know. Come on. I wonder if I drop it from the top of the castle, it'll break open. No. That'll hurt the genie inside. I'm gonna have to think about it. Come on with Uncle Olaf. Daddy. Hi? Daddy. Papa. If I just bury it out here in the snow, nobody else will find it. It's heavy. Look at what Olaf ran into. Blind bag number 5. Let's see what it is. We're good. Look at who we got. Oh my goodness. We got a pack of the DC Comics Ooshies. Series 1. Find the limited edition crystal blue Batman. Woo! Here's the possible ones we could get. And this is brand new. So let's see who we got. Oh, it's Batman! No. Batman! He is cute! Look, here's a checklist. Woo! He is super cute. Look how squishy he is. Squish. Woo! So let's see who Batman is bringing with him. Aww, it looks like Batman is bringing Puppy in My Pocket, Series 5. Woo! Pop! There's 2 pets inside. Let's see who we get. Here's the checklist. Oh my goodness, look at all those puppy dogs. Find the ultra rare pup, Pandora Poodle. Oh, super cute. Let's see who we get. First puppy. Look at him. Oh, he's super cute. He's flocked and he's this white gray color. Look at his little dog tag. Arf. He's super cute. He is Duke, the German Shepherd. Woohoo! Perfect for Batman. Okay, let's see who else we get. Oh, look at him. Look at his eye. Whoa! He's kind of derpy looking. Oh my goodness. What is that? What does he have attached to him? Does he have a little porcupine hedgehog? Oh my goodness, I'd be derpy looking too. No wonder why he's like, ouch! You're poking me. This is Belle, the Doberman. Isn't she cute? Poor Belle. It'll be okay. We'll put Belle inside the carrier with Duke.
You puppies okay in there?
Okay, guys, so it looks like Marshmallow is still hanging out with the Tsum Tsums at their village, and the kitties are all playing with one another. Meow! Meow, 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 meow. Ooh, it looks like Marie and Figaro are having a fantastic time. It's day 5. Let's see who we get. Day 5. Where are you? That's a big one. Let's see who we get. Oh my goodness! Look at it! Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh! super exciting. Oh my goodness! Look at her! It's Elsa! Oh, she is super duper cute! She is super cute! And look at her cape. It is like translucent with all this sparkly glitter. Oh! She is so cute! Oh my gosh, what is Marshmallow gonna think? And we also got this super cute ornament decoration for our Zoom Zooms to be in. So it looks like this size is actually for the medium figures, which we have Minnie Mouse. How super adorable is she? Oh my goodness, super duper cute. She is cute, and it looks like even the decorations can stack. Here's Bambi. Let's see if Minnie and her ornament ball can stack. Super adorable. Ah! Hey everybody.
Elsa! Yay!
Oh, Elsa's here! Well, everyone, it seems that the Tsum Tsums and Marshmallow are very tickled that Elsa has arrived at the village. We will have to wait till tomorrow on day number 6 to see who is next. So thanks so much for watching. It's Birdie. Until next time, bye!